I chose to do the second option for this assignment. Considering the enormous amounts of information that a Big Brother society would record, is Big Brother truly possible? That is, if every phone call, internet communication, and text message was being recorded and cameras were spread through the home, could this information actually be watched in a way to monitor and control society? The first question, I feel like Big Brother, like that society, could be possible, and it's very possible that like the government already does watch us through cameras, but more so the cameras on our computers and phones. But I feel like even if it's possible, it's very unrealistic, and the government wouldn't do that. It would almost be more of a waste of time, because they could go through, say, every person's like life in my neighborhood, and they may find like one tiny thing that maybe is bad, but it would have just been a huge waste of time to them. And I feel like phone calls, internet communication, text messages, they're already recorded. Like, I've always been told, don't send things over Snapchat that you don't want like others to see, but even though they disappear apparently, like the government, I feel, still has control over everything you're sending or doing. So they can like trace every phone call, and they can view all your internet communication and all your text messages. Even if you delete them, they're still there. So in that way, like the Big Brother society is already impounded onto like our lifestyle, because the government can view them. But I feel like if cameras were spread through homes, that would be a lot different. I think that our society would have like an outbreak in violence, and like cameras would be destroyed. There would be a lot more aggressiveness in fights, and I think either that or people would fall into like a depression. They wouldn't be able to do the things they love. They wouldn't be able to do things without feeling like they had someone sitting over their shoulder. But I think there is, like, if the government wanted to, they could easily turn our society into a Big Brother society. It's just unrealistic.